Have you ever used your phone in public and worried that someone next to you might see your screen? If you often check messages, notifications, or private information in places like public transport or a cafe, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has a feature that can help protect your privacy. It's called privacy display, and it limits how visible your screen is from the side angles. Let me show you how to turn it on from the phone setting. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Next, tap Display. Tap Privacy Display. Here you will see several options. The first option is Turn on Privacy Display. You can use the switch here to enable or disable this feature. Below that, you will see Condition for turning on. Tap this option to choose when privacy display will activate. Inside, you will find three choices. The first one is Apps. Here, you can select apps where you want the privacy display to be applied. The second option is PIN, pattern, password. If you turn this option on, privacy display will activate automatically when you enter your PIN, pattern, or password in places like the lock screen, settings, or secure folder. The third option is notification pop-ups. When this option is enabled, privacy display will apply to notification pop-ups from all apps, while the rest of the screen stays visible. Back on the previous page, you will also see maximum privacy protection. If you turn this option on, the screen becomes even harder to see from side angles. However, this may also slightly affect normal viewing. And that's how you enable privacy display on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This feature is very useful if you often use your phone in public places and want to keep your screen information more private. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.